Welcome back to AppIQ guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to back up your clock. Sound interesting, right? Now what do? Click settings on your phone and you want to go all the way down to where you find accounts and backup. Click on that. Now from here click on backup your data, which is under the Samsung Cloud. Click on that. And from here you have a bunch of different things you can back up. Now click on your clock, simple toggle it on, and what this is going to do, it's going to back up your clock data every 24 hours. However, you can easily back it up now, right? By simply click and back up now at the bottom and have a look at that. It just back up my clock there. So any clock settings, any clock alarms set you have set in your phone, you can easily set back up all of that data within your phone. Now once you're done, simply click done, and that's all there is to it. And from now on, every 24 hour, this will be backed up. Now, if you no longer want to back this up and you don't want to have this information anymore backup, you can simply go ahead and toggle it off. However, you can find more information about what you can back up and what you cannot back up by simply clicking the three dots on the upper right hand side. Click on more information, and here's all the information about what you can back up, what you cannot back up, and how it works, right? So very easy, very useful information, guys. Hope you found it useful. If you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below. And on top of that, if you're seeing the channel for the first time, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to become a part of this growing community. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.